Roborock Saros 10R results. 22,000 Pascal suction versus my dog's endless shedding.
You ever finish vacuuming and mopping on Sunday night, look around and realize half the corners are still dirty and there's a fresh layer of pet hair under the couch already? I was there every single week, spending hours cleaning just to have it undone by Tuesday. Does that sound like your life right now? Tell me in the comments.
You're stepping over dog hair tumbleweeds, coughing from dust bunnies under the bed, and every time you pull out the old robot, it gets tangled in 5 minutes or leaves wet streaks on the rug. I tried the cheaper ones, the smart ones, even the big-name ones. Same story. They'd miss edges, choke on hair, or force me to babysit them. I was exhausted and honestly ready to give up on the whole robot vacuum dream. Then I got the Roborock Saros 10R, and the first run blew my mind. It cleaned the entire downstairs, including under the 3-inch clearance sofa and every single corner, while I sat on the couch drinking coffee. No pre-sweeping, no rescuing it from cables, no hair wrapped around the brush. That 22,000 Pascal suction rips embedded pet hair out of carpets like it's personally offended by it. The zero-tangling DuoDivide brush actually works. I've checked it after 2 months, still spotless. The 3.14-inch body slides under furniture that's been collecting dust since 2019. And the FlexiArm Riser, it extends into corners and along baseboards, then lifts the mop instantly on carpet, so you never get those dreaded wet rug streaks. But the real freedom is the dock. Hot water mop wash, 176 degrees Fahrenheit hot air drying, 60 days of self-emptying. It's the first robot that truly runs itself. Look, it's not just me being dramatic. Tech reviewers who test dozens of robots a year say the FlexiArm corner cleaning is the best they've ever measured. Pet owners in the forums are posting photos of completely clean brushes after months with golden retrievers and huskies. One influencer with 3 cats said she hasn't touched the brush once in 90 days. Yeah, it's premium priced. Most people see the number and flinch. But when you add up what you've wasted on 2 or 3 cheaper robots that died or never cleaned properly, plus the hours you get back every week, it's honestly cheaper in the long run. Setup? 10 minutes and the app holds your hand. The surprise feature that got me? The hot air drying. No more damp, musty mop pad smell that made every other mopping robot gross after a week. This thing stays fresh, like it just came out of the box. Imagine walking downstairs every morning to floors that are actually clean. No hair tumbleweeds, no sticky spots, no guilt that you should vacuum today. Weekends back, evenings back. That's what the Saros 10R has given thousands of us. If you're tired of half-clean houses and robots that need more babysitting than your pets, go check out the Roborock Saros 10R for yourself. I'll drop the link below. See the full specs, current pricing, and grab it if it feels right. Your floors deserve this.